DICT dictionary, data dictionary table, holds the list of system tables in database. Describe to check this we need to start Oracle SQL environment. Type C, you will get the command prompt. Right click on it, run as administrator, say yes, maximize the screen, type SQLPLUS plus forward slash as SYSDBA. So here you can see we are successfully connected to SQL. Let us clear the screen. Now shall try this example. Describe dictionary. So you can see name, null, type, table underscore name, varchar to 128, comments, varchar to 4000. Now you have to select star from DICT. So you can see it is showing in many tables, huge amount of data. So 4666 roles selected. Now we shall come to the next command. Select star from DICT where table underscore name like percentage tab percentage. So only 293 rows are selected. From DICT table, take out 50 tables at least related to database objects like tables, views, etc. and observe the contents of them. Now let us come to pseudo columns. Automatically filled by Oracle. Examples is date, next val, current val, row ID, row num, level, SQL code, SQL ERRM, new, old. First come to row ID. It is automatically assigned with every row inserted into table. It is an unique value. It is stored permanently in database. It comprises of object ID, data file ID, block ID, and record ID. It is reusable. Example. We shall try this example in SQL environment. Let us clear the screen. Select row ID, dname, location from department. Here you can see the row ID. It is alphanumeric. This is the row ID. We shall try one more example. Select row ID, EMP number, rename sal from EMP. So you can see the 14 rows. They are having unique row ID. Now we shall come to the next statement. Retrieve all the rows except last record. We want to retrieve all the rows from EMP except the last record. So for to do this is the command. Copy and paste it. Retrieve all rows except the last record. So 13 rows are retrieved. 14th row is not retrieved. This is select EMP number, rename sal, department number from EMP where row ID not in. Select max row ID from EMP. Now shall comes to modify all rows except first row in table. So this is the command. Let us clear the screen. Update EMP set sal is equal to sal plus 2500 where row ID not in. Select min row ID from EMP. So you can see here 13 rows updated. One row is left. Now we shall come to row num. It is an dynamic value automatically retrieved along with select statement output. It is an unique value. It is only for display purpose. It is not stored in database. Example. Select row num, ename, sal from emp. So you can see row num 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, this gives an unique number to every row inserted automatically. So let's try the next example. Select row num, dename a location from department. So you can see row num 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to select row ID, row num. So clear the screen. Select row ID, row num, emp number, rename sal from emp. This is the row ID, this is the row num, and emp number, rename, and salary. 14 rows selected. Now we shall to select row num, emp number, ename, sal from emp, order by sal. Copy and paste it. Here you can see it's order by sal, so it is showing random numbers. We shall try the next example. Order by sal in descending order. So you can see sal is in descending order. Now we shall come to the next example. Retrieve top 5 highly paid employees. So this is the query. Let us clear the screen. Select row num, emp number, ename, job, sal from. Select row num, emp number, ename, job, sal from emp. Order by sal descending where row num is lesser than or equal to 5. So you can see row num 1, top 5, uh, top 5 highly paid salary employees. Here you can see the sal column. Retrieving the nth maximum salaried employee details, second max or 5 max, top analysis query. This is the query. Select row num, emp number, ename, job, sal from. Select row num, emp number, ename, job, sal from emp. Order by sal descending order. Group by row num, emp number, ename, job, sal. Having row number is equal to ampersand n. It will ask you for the nth value. Whatever you input the value, that row number will be displayed. Let's try this example. So if I put 3, it will show the third row number, the third highest paid salary. We'll try it once again. Number 5th, it will show this row number 5. We will try it once again. Enter 1, saying Scott 5500 salary. So retrieving alternate rows. That is even rows. Copy. Let us clear the screen. And paste. Select row num, emp number, ename, job, sal from emp. Group by row num, emp number, ename, job, sal. Having mod row num comma 2 is equal to 0, means even records will be displayed. So you can see 2, 6, 8, 12, 4, 10, 14. These records are being displayed. If you want odd numbers, the same command can be used. Only thing is, here you have to put not equal to 0. It's showing error. 2 and 3 have come. We'll do it once again. Copy it from here. Paste. Not equal to 0. So you can see all the odd rows are displayed: 7, 9, 13, 3, 1, 5 and 11. Inline view. Select statement provided in place of table name is known as inline view. It will be created dynamically while executing query. It will save resources. So that's it friends for today's session. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.